Hello everybody, welcome back to my new video, and today I'm going to show you a pretty special LED fixture. This is the Philips Iridium Gen 4, as you may see, and I have actually recently made a video about this fixture, if I'm correct, which has the 60 LEDs, 3000 Kelvin, light color, warm white. That one had place for one puck, but it didn't, and the pucks are these things on top. This one actually has two because of the light colors. Yes, this fixture has two light colors, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. As you can see, there are only two LED plates instead of three, which is usual for this model. So why they didn't put those two LED plates horizontal like this, like they usually do with two LED plates, I'm not sure, but this still looks pretty funny. And with two LED colors, I mean this. As you can see, there is two rows of 4000K called white LEDs, and a row of I think 1800K or 2200K, which is the first one is low pressure sodium color, and the second one is high pressure sodium color. So these are high pressure or low pressure sodium colored inspired LEDs, which give the kind of the light of sodium lamps. And this is just standard what you can actually control these two separately from those pucks. And if you disconnect one of the drivers, you can either turn off the cold white LEDs, as is now shown in the photo, and these LEDs are or you can either turn on these LEDs, the sodium colored LEDs, which is shown in this photo. But first I'm going to show you, before I'm going to turn on the fixture, I'm going to show you the inside to show you what I mean. So this is the inside of the fixture. Here you can see the two pucks are disconnected, so they are not in use usually. And actually I didn't do this myself, but I would have if it wasn't done like this, because if you connect these pucks, they will probably connect to the nearest console, and they will probably shown online, and that's not something I want. So there are two separate drivers for both colors. As you can see, this driver is for the sodium LEDs, or the amber lights, amber LEDs it's also called, and this one is for the cold white LEDs. And if you disconnect the source from this driver, the cold white LEDs will shut off, as is shown now. And if you disconnect this one, the sodium colored, the amber lights will turn off, which is pretty cool. Usually it's controlled by these pucks. And I think if I would have like two phases in this cable, which I don't, I could actually like dim one another, which is pretty cool. This is a control module probably used for the pucks, but I'm not really that big of a LED specialist, so I'm not sure. But that's what I think it's being used for. Now let's turn on the fixture. Here we go, the fixture is now turned on. As you can see, now you can see the two different colors of LEDs, which is pretty awesome. I really like this design of the fixture itself, but this specific version with these LEDs is pretty awesome. And I'm actually going to have my friend of the Lamppost channel, he's going to dim the cold white LEDs a lot more, so you'll see more of the orange light, because now it's more kind of a warm white, interesting color or something. I don't know what I'm seeing. So we'll dim these cold white light LEDs, so we have more of the orange kind of color. So this one side picture looks like, gives a really strange color off, as you can see. But yeah, then again, I really like this fixture, and I'm really happy with it, because it's not just laying in the trash can. We have not a trash can, we have like those big containers in the back of our work, and that's where they throw away old fixtures that they don't use anymore. And this was surprisingly in there, and I wasn't just gonna leave it there because it's just too beautiful to like go to waste. So there are more of these fixtures with this type of light, like the Iridium Gen 3 also has this type of version with these colors of LEDs, which is pretty cool. the Philips Iridium Gen 2. I've never seen these, but also there's Brisa from electronics, and a lot of more LED fixtures have this kind of strange LED light. Why and where it's designed for, I don't know. Probably if you have this orange is definitely designed to recreate the old sodium light, because it's better in certain places on the road, like in the forest or something, or for places where like animals live or something. So yeah, so I guess this was all I could say about this fixture, but then again, I'm really happy with this. And well, if also I've kind of run out of ideas for videos a bit, so if you have suggestions you can always place them. So I will try to keep uploading every Sunday as usual. But yeah, but then again, if you have requests, you can just tell me in the comment section below, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.